Okay, engineering mathematics, second chapter, that is unit 2, straight lines. Okay, before going to start the actual topic of straight line, first I will give syllabus, and afterwards we are going to discuss recapitulation of straight line, whatever we studied in our SSLC level. Okay, afterwards we are going to start the actual topic, right? So what we are going to learn here, just we have to mention, I will mention in shortly ಏನೇನು ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ recapitulation. Okay, and after that we are going to study slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line when angle theta and line joining 2 points. ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕು. And third point, we are going to study different forms of equation of straight line. Different forms of equation of straight lines. Straight lines. There are 4 forms are there. First form, slope intercept form ಅಂತಿದೆ. Slope intercept form. Second form is a slope point form. And third form is 2-point form. Fourth one is intercept form and intercepts form. Okay, after this we are going to study general form of equation of straight line. General form of equation of straight line. Equation of straight lines. Okay, and problems, including problems, alle problems anna ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And after this we are going to study angle between two straight lines. Okay, along with this only we are going to discuss conditions for two lines are parallel and perpendicular. ಎಸ್, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತವ, ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ equation of straight line which is parallel or perpendicular to another straight line. Okay, this is the complete syllabus of unit 2 straight line. Okay, right, in recapitulation, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಓದಿವು, SSLCದಾಗ ಓದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಕಾಲ್. recapitulation. Under this, the first point is coordinate axis anta barutte. Coordinate axis. Okay. Coordinate axis. Yes, what is this coordinate axis? For that ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Consider two straight lines x o x dash and y o y dash which are mutually perpendicular to each other. ಏನು consider as two straight lines x o x dash and y o y dash and ಹೆಂಗವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರು which are mutually perpendicular to each other and intersect at a point O. Called origin. Okay. And the line, horizontal line x o x dash ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮು. x o x dash is called x axis and the vertical line y o y dash is called y axis. Vertical line is called y axis. These two lines together called coordinate axis. These two lines togetherly called as a coordinate axis. Okay, now first I will draw that coordinate axis. Afterwards I will show how to represent a point on coordinate axis. Right? Consider two lines which are mutually perpendicular to each other. That is this horizontal line x, this side is x dash, and another one is vertical line, this is y, this end is y dash, which intersect at a point O is called origin. Intersect at a point O is called as a origin, and this is called line xo x dash is called as a x axis, yo y dash is called as a y axis. The togetherly these two lines are called coordinate axis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Togetherly these two lines are called as a coordinate axis. And now represent a point in a coordinate axis. Suppose let us take point, illondu point ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. In geometry, analytical geometry, point in the sense it includes coordination, that is x coordinate as well as y coordinate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Any point represent in a geometry, that is in analytical geometry, usually it is ordered pair p of x comma y. What is this? This one is the x coordinate, and what is this? Y is the y coordinate. What it indicates, x coordinate and y coordinate andre the distance between origin to point on x axis is the x coordinate. That is idanna join ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This distance x, okay, the distance between origin to, actually perpendicular distance ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The perpendicular distance between origin to point on x axis is called x coordinate, okay, and the distance between origin to point on y axis is called as a y coordinate. This length is exactly parallel to y axis, so this length is ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, y coordinate. Y coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, the distance between the perpendicular distance from x axis is called as a ಏನದು x coordinate and y coordinate. Here x coordinate is also called as a abscissa ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. X coordinate is also called as a abscissa. A B S C I S S A, okay, and y coordinate is called as a ordinate. Y coordinate is also called as a ordinate ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, this is the representation of point in a plane. Yes, what is plane? This one is x to y is called as a xy plane. ಇದು xy plane, okay, and this one is y to x dash is called as a yx dash plane, and this one is x dash to y dash plane, okay, and y dash to x plane, okay. In trigonometric ಬಂದಾಗ this plane is called first quadrant ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. xy plane is called as a first quadrant, y x dash is called as a second quadrant, x dash y dash is called as a third quadrant, y dash x is called as a fourth quadrant. In trigonometry ದಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಪ್ಪ, right? Yes, a point is nothing but what? The perpendicular distance from origin to point on x axis is called as a x coordinate, which is abscissa. The distance between origin to point on y axis is called as a y coordinate, and it is also called as a ordinate. And point in a plane is always ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದ, point in a place is always ordered pair, okay. Suppose it is a 3D ಬಂದರೆ, 3 dimensional quantity ಇದ್ದರೆ p of x, y, z ordered triplet ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ordered triplet, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇದೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 dimensional quantity only. So point is nothing but ordered pair x, y. Always first coordination should be x coordinate, second coordinate should be y coordinate, right? X coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is also called as a ordinate, right? And also on x axis y is 0. On x axis y is 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ. Yes, on x axis y value is 0. Hence, any point on x-axis is, hence, any point on x-axis is, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ first x coordinate, y coordinate is 0. Point on x-axis, always we take point on x-axis is ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ x, 0. Okay. On y-axis, x is 0. Hence, any point on y-axis is represented as x is 0, y coordinate. Point on y-axis is always 0, y. 0, y. And the coordinates of origin is 0, 0. X nu 0 irutte, y nu 0 irutte. Here coordinates of origin is always 0, 0. Yes, coordinates of origin are O of 0, 0. O of 0, 0. Yes, next recapitulation point is distance formula. Next recapitulation point is distance formula. Distance formula. Right? Yes, what is this distance formula? In analytical geometry, we have a formula to find distance between any two points. Distance between any two points. Suppose consider a line, okay, and it having 2 points, a of x1, y1, and another point is p of x2, y2. To find the distance between a to b ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ, how much distance ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ in analytical geometry we have a formula, that is distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points a of x1, y1 and b of x2, y2 is given by that is AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between any two points is given by the formula ಏನದು AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Or this formula also be written as AB is equal to under root, ಇದು whole square ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can take x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, this is the distance formula. Already we studied in our SSLC only, right? Next formula is section formula ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. section formula, ರೈಟಾ? ಏನಿದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ವೈ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ m:n ಇಂಟರ್ನಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲಿ ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ x1 comma y1 and this is b of x2 comma y2, and there is a one point p which divides the line ab ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. p is a point which divides the line joining points a and b in the ratio, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು m ರೇಷಿಯೋದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ, and this one is n, m:n is given by, okay. section means ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನು ಪಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಾಗ? m:n. then how to find p of x comma y is given by the section formula internally, because p is divides the line internally, so we are calling this formula is a internal division. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ? the point p of x comma y which divides line joining points a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 internally in the ratio m:n ಅನುಪಾತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. m:n is given by formula is p of x comma y is equal to ಏನಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma ಇದು x coordinate, my2 ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, this is internal division formula. Similarly, consider a line joining points ab, a of x1 comma y1, this is b of x2 comma y2, and here p is dividing ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ p of x comma y which dividing outside the line in the ratio. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ in the ratio ಅಂದರೆ total a to p is m and this length is b to p is n and is given by the formula. ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬರೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗ? ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ವೈ, ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ವೈ divides the line joining points a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 externally ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ externally in the ratio m is to n is given by formula ಏನಿದಪ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ p of x comma y is equal to mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n comma my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. This is section formula for external division, right? ಇದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, that is obtained from this only. Section formula for internal division. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If p is divides ab equally, that is p of x comma y is the midpoint of a and b, then what is the formula we are going to discuss now only. That is midpoint formula ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ heading, right? That is fourth point on recapitulation, midpoint formula. Midpoint formula, right? ಏನಿದೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ a point p of x comma y divides line joining point AB equally, x2 comma y2, and this is our point p of x comma y dividing line AB equally, means p of x comma y is a midpoint of a and b. midpoint of a and b ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋನಲ್ಲಿ, a point which divides line into two equal parts is called as a midpoint of a line ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. a point p of x comma y which divides a line joining points a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 into two equal parts is called as the midpoint of a line AB. Okay, and is given by formula, very simple. p of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This formula we are going to use in straight line. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So very important, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, right? Up to this recapitulations means whatever we studied in our lower classes, right? Now we are going to start the actual syllabus of straight line. Right? Now before going to define slope, one point ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್? Straight line. Okay, a straight line is a curve such that the line segment joining any two points on it lies completely on it ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ line points on the line should be collinear. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ is a curve, ಒಂದು ಕರ್ವ್ ಅದದು, is a curve such that the line segment joining any two points on it lies completely on it. Okay, simple definition. Okay, next we are going to discuss slope of a line. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಳಿಜಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ, ರೈಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಟೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ when its inclination ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ನಾವು. when its inclination, that is inclination ಅಂದರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್, ಕೋನ, inclination theta is given. How? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ದು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅದ, this one is y axis, this is y dash, and this is a origin. Okay, consider a line which cuts x-axis and makes an angle theta anti-clockwise direction. Angle theta, this angle is called as a inclination ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Yes, what is inclination? Inclination is nothing but the line making an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction. What is inclination? This is theta is nothing but it is a inclination. ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನು? ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್, ಗಡಿಯಾರಕ್ಕೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, y is positive, y dash is negative, right? Yes, now we are going to find what is the slope of a line. What is the slope of a line? Yes, the slope of line when its angle or inclination, theta is given. Okay, in formula, and slope is always denoted by small m. That is, slope is equal to small m is equal to formula tan theta. Okay, slope of a line when its inclination theta is given, at that time we are going to use the formula m is equal to tan theta. m is equal to tan theta. This is very important. ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. Find slope of a line when it inclined at a 45 degree. That is theta is 45. Okay. Find slope of a line which makes an angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. That is theta is given 30 degree. To find slope, we are going to use this formula m is equal to tan theta. Right? Now we have another formula to find slope of a line when its line joining points are given. Right? Continuation of slope is the slope of line joining points. Slope of line joining points. Instead of angle, 2 points will be given. Line joining points. Right? Yes, how? Nodal onchuru. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. Origin O. Suppose this is a line. It passes through 2 points. A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2. Then to find its slope, we are going to use the formula. Yes, slope of line joining points. Slope of line joining points. The slope of a line when 2 points A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 are given. Okay, at that time what is the formula? Slope equal to m is equal to, yes, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, this is the formula to use to find slope of line when its 2 points are given, when line joining points are given. Okay, now here note that I will write 2 more points here. The slope of x-axis and y-axis ಏನದ ಅಂತ ಬರೋಣ with the help of the tan theta formula. Yes, slope of x-axis is always how much it is? Theta is nothing but what? Inclination is nothing but what? Angle between a line to positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿವಿ. Anti-clockwise direction. That is, ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. This is x-axis, y-axis, origin 0. Okay, first point note ಒಳಗಡೆ slope of x-axis. Yes, what is x-axis? What is the angle between x-axis? Means straight line is also x-axis. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನು ಕೂಡ x-axis. ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾವ? ಕೋಯಿನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ಎರಡು ಕೋಯಿನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದರೆ angle between them is 0. If this implies ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? theta is 0. If theta 0 ಇದ್ರೆ we have a formula m equal to tan theta. So m equal to tan theta is 0 degree. By standard angle table, tan 0 is 0. That is, slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. Similarly, slope of y-axis ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Slope of y-axis, angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degree. theta is equal to 90 degree ಆಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ, right? So ಏನು ಬರೋಣ, slope of y-axis here theta is 90 degree, m equal to tan theta is equal to tan 90 degree. By standard angle table, tan 90 degree is infinity. Therefore, slope of y-axis is infinity, not defined. Slope of y-axis is infinity, not defined ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Not defined. Right? Now here, two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ ನನಗಂದರೆ, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. If angle is same, then no doubt ಏನಿರ್ತವವು, their slopes must be equal. Note number 3, I am going to write here. Two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. Okay, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ 1 ಈಸ್ m1, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ 2 ಈಸ್ m2 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಟೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಂಡೀಷನು, m1 is equal to m2 should be the condition. That is, this is line 1, this is line 2, ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m1, ಇದರ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, these two lines are said to be parallel ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what should be the condition, m1 is equal to m2, right? Similarly, two lines are said to be perpendicular ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ product of their slopes equal to -1 ಅಂತಿದೆ. Product of their slopes equal to -1. Yes, two lines are said to be perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular if product of their slopes is -1. Yes, how? This is line 1 and this is line 2. Either slope m1, either slope m2. So condition ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, product of their slopes m1 m2 equal to -1. Okay. Now we are going to solve some problems on slope of a line. Problems. First problem, find slope of a line when its inclination is 30 degree. Simple. Note, find slope of a line when its inclination is given 30 degree. So solution ಏನು ಬರೋಣ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಬರೋಣ. ಗಿವನ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, inclination is given. Inclination is equal to theta is equal to 30 degree, right? We know that, what we know, formula, slope of a line, slope of a line when theta is given, when theta is given. ಇದು ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಬರದೇನಿದ್ರು ನಡೀತದ. Yes, what is the formula? Slope m is equal to tan theta, right? So m is equal to tan of, substitute the theta value here, tan 30 degree. So m is equal to, by standard angle table, trigonometry table, tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. This is our required slope of a given line. Okay, simple. Consider a second example. Find slope of a line which makes an angle angle 45 degree with positive direction of x-axis. That is inclination ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬದಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನಾಗ. theta is given, inclination is given. Okay, solution ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಬರೀರಿ. given inclination is given ಅಥವಾ angle is given. inclination equal to theta is equal to 45 degree, right? We know that slope of a line is, what is the formula? Slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta, or m equal to, substitute tan theta value here 45 degree, m is equal to tan 45 is 1. So slope of required line is 1. Slope of required line is 1. Okay, right. Third question. Find slope of a line. Find slope of a line which cuts x-axis, and makes an angle 60 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದ. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಬರೀರಿ. ಗಿವನ್ inclination is given or angle is given. Theta is 60 degree. So we know that slope of a line is m is equal to tan theta. Substitute theta value is 60 degree. So by standard angle table, tan 60 degree value is root 3. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. Okay. Okay, problem number 4. Question number 4. Find slope of a line joining point. Find slope of a line joining points 3, 5 and 6, 2. Find slope of a line joining points 3, 5 and 6, 2. Solution. Yes, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Given points, given, let us give the name. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡೋಣ. Let first point is A 3, 5 and second point is B 6, 2. Here A point is nothing but x1, y1. B point is nothing but x2, y2. Right? We know that slope of line joining points formula. We know that slope of line joining points. Yes, another sutra, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substitute here. Y2 value is how much? It is 2. Y1 is 5. X2 value is 6. X1 is 3. This is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 3. 6 minus 3. It is 3. Okay. 3 cancel. Minus 1 is left. That is our required slope. Okay. Simple. x1 y1 and x2 y2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Find slope of a line which passes through two points -2, -1 and 6, -3. passes through 2 points. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಗಿವನ್ 2 points are given. Name them. Name is not given. So let A is equal to first point 2, -1 and B is equal to second point 6, -3. Here x1 is -2, y1 is -1, x2 is 6, y2 is -3. Okay. We know that slope of a line. Okay. Yes, m equal to formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. See here y2 value is -3 minus y1 value is minus. Already il minus ಇದೆ, so put a bracket -1. x2 is 6 minus x1 already minus, put a -2. Right. m is equal to -3 minus into minus plus 1 6 minus into minus plus 2. Right. m is equal to -3 plus 1 is -2 divided by 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are cut. -1/4 is the slope of a required line. This completes first class of straight line, that is recapitulation of straight line. and slope, two forms and their problems. In the next video, I'm going to explain different forms of equation of straight line. That is very important topic.